So to put on the sheathing, which is the plywood on the outside of our house, we are going to glue it down here with construction adhesive, and then we'll use 8-penny ring shank nails, which are basically nails that are designed to be really hard to pull out. So they basically stay in, should be like no squeaking. Use them for floors and use them for these exterior walls. It just helps everything stay nice and secure and won't actually come out. And yeah, so starts the process with this first sheet. For doing the sheathing, we're combining two approaches. One is where we just put up full sheets, and basically you cut them out later for like doors and windows. You see what we're doing here, but then also other times we will cut it out beforehand. It just kind of depends on how big the sheet is and how small the cut we'd have to do.
And we didn't want to block the doorway, like pretty much our only access point to the inside of the tiny house. So we left a little opening.
Yeah. And it would make it a little bit easier if you could stand in that doorway to nail the top part of that sheet.
Yeah. I remember that wheel well giving us a lot of troubles.
Yeah, because we initially cut like a template, and then we would put that on the other boards and try to cut out that, but there was sometimes a little bit of adjusting that we had to do.
But it was fun. It was surprisingly easy. I mean, I've worked with the nail gun when we did the subfloor, so I was comfortable with that by this point.
Yeah, and we chalk lines in it so you could see. I mean, we're using a red chalk, so you can't really see much on the video, but we could see it as we were going along. We could see exactly where we had to shoot our nails.
I helped you with the big sheets, and then I had to go inside to help with other things, but you did the smaller sheets on top that spanned the rest of the ceiling.
Yeah.
Which was good, because you could carry those up the ladder, whereas the big ones, you had to jimmy rig a little stand to hold up one end.
Yeah, I just basically had a log that I would sit them on, that I put a couple of 2x4s to make it flush with the bottom. So I'd rest one end on that and then hold up the other on my own. So it was a lot easier when I didn't have to use that, and I just had Allie there to help me hold it in place.
It was fun though. I enjoyed it. It came up really fast. I'm surprised at how fast we were able to get things done.
Yeah, well, when I have you basically able to like finish nailing a sheet and start gluing the 2x4s for the next one while I'm cutting in the next sheet, it worked well, and we made progress pretty quick.
Yeah, we did get it written down.
Good job, Ed. So we got this last sheet over here tacked in place. It's one of the few that don't have a window, so it's just straight studs. So I'm gonna time myself to see how long it takes me to actually nail like an entire sheet. I just got tacked up in their place, so I gotta do the whole thing. So here we go. So, minute 55. Not bad, and I had a gun jam at the very end, so I was like one nail short. But it's good enough.
That was even with you doing it by yourself.
Yeah, and you'd help me get the piece like tacked into place, but then yeah, I just nailed the full sheet by myself, and I was pretty proud of myself, like how fast that went.
Oh, you were just timing the nailing? I thought you were timing putting it up too.
No.
Now it's not as impressive.
Yeah. I wish I'd been able to like cut and put it in a full sheet by myself in 2 minutes.
Well, right now I guess you're doing the awkward change in pitch roofing.
Yeah, that's where our loft starts right there.
Oh, I just love the look of it now and how nice it is. I mean, it just looks like a regular box, but once we get the nails cut, or not the nails, the windows cut out, it's gonna look awesome.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so excited. You did good, babe.
I appreciated your help too. It was lots of fun. I gotta say, this is one of the more interesting techniques for gluing the upper sections for a sheet. I haven't really seen this before. I just recorded a little bit of this from inside the house. Watch how we get ready here.
So you mean to tell me in all your years of construction, no one's ever done that before?
No, you don't really glue like towards yourself. Most of the time you're on the outside putting glue on.
Oh, I was a little too
Short.
Yeah, and too lazy to move the ladder, rather.
And this is me getting creative with how to get my scaffolding to be a little bit higher. Thanks for watching this video. We had a lot of fun putting on the sheeting here, so hopefully it was enjoyable for you to watch. If you enjoyed it, click the thumbs up button or leave a comment. And we really appreciate hearing from you guys. Or you can check out our other YouTube channel at Hold the Walnuts. So hopefully we'll see you on the next video.